In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox in school. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In this guide specifically, we're going over 3 methods for you to play Roblox. So stay tuned. If one method doesn't work, use one of the other methods and let us know which one you're using down in the comment section below. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to easyfun.gg. And if you scroll down on this page a little bit, you're going to see the option to play Roblox. Now, what easyfun.gg is essentially a bunch of mobile games directly in your browser, including Roblox. You can either search for Roblox, or if you just scroll down, you're going to see it in this top rated section. Select it, hit play now, and you're going to get a free 30-minute trial every single day. And on top of that, if you do create an account, which you can just log in with like Google, you get 6 hours free every single day, which is almost the entire school day. However, if easyfun.g is blocked on, say, something like your Chromebook or your school Wi-Fi, what you're going to want to do is try one of the proxy links that I actually am about to give you. To make it easy, I went ahead and just compiled every single one of them on this screen right here. Go to one of these websites and then you'll be able to sign in with a proxy. And it's essentially just an unblocker site. Once you sign in on one of these, you'll be able to access easyfun.g, or you could play Roblox directly from their website since this is going to unblock it on your school Wi-Fi. If these are also blocked though, what I recommend doing is joining the Doge Unblocker Discord server just like so. They share fresh working links and even tutorials on how to make your own unblocker so you'll always have a way in. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this, but that is 3 easy ways that you could play Roblox at school on, say, something like a Chromebook or on any school device in 2025. If you have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.